Good morning, brothers and sisters. Leaf, how are you doing this morning? Today we're doing the Factory Tour Blend Sun Grown by Perdomo. Pairing it up with one of my favorite coffees by Java Factory, Wakey Wakey, which right now I hope it workies. I hadn't had the Factory Tour Blend in a while, and I I had a lot of the 10th anniversary, the Lot 23s, and Factory Tour Blend was on my wish list, and the the fact that my wife was able to find them for me was a true blessing. Uh, uh, like I said before, I don't think Nick Perdomo's made a bad stick yet. Uh, Even the ones that they call mistakes, I don't think are mistakes. I think those are done on purpose to give people a decent, inexpensive smoke from Perdomo. Uh, Not that Perdomo's an expensive stick by far. They're really reasonable for as good as the cigar is. Anyway, what cigar are you smoking today? I get caught up in talking about Perdomo and how good their brand is, and I get lost. Uh, Hopefully today found you to be well. Again, I woke up extremely late. Uh, I Past couple mornings I just haven't been feeling it. I wanted to stay in bed. Sad part is I need to get the vehicle into the shop to get the brakes done, and can't do that if I'm laying in bed waiting to feel good. Uh, but being on this side of the dirt helps out. I'm getting the fan on, get the air circulating a little bit. Had a smoke cloud above me. Uh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you would, please. Uh, Helps get me into the algorithm of the YouTube world. Uh, Go ahead, comment, like, and share this video if you would. I don't care if you just say hi, just as long as I know you're watching. Anyway, uh, this Factory Tour Blend Sun Grown is really good stick. I enjoy it highly. And so far, it's pairing rather well with the Wakey Wakey Coffee by Java Factory. Well, I've taken up enough of your time. Stay blessed, stay smoky, and we'll see you tomorrow.